Did you guys see what's going on over on TikTok? Look, it's me. I'm still there. And this video has over like 46 million views. 46 million. Like, can you picture even how many people that is? They are all getting the message to eat their vegetables. Why? Because somebody stole my sound and they added on the rest of it a little bit at the end. So listen, check this out. Eat your vegetables. But like, what's he doing? Like he's self-destructing. Your vegetables. Yes, eat your vegetables. But why are you jumping off a cliff? What are you doing? Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. The world has gone crazy. Apparently the name of this band that took the beginning of my song and the end of that is called Suicide Boys. Like, what are you doing? It's not that bad eating vegetables. You'll be fine. No, don't jump. Your vegetables. Okay, like what is going on? Like seriously, what is going on? Okay, let's check out the sound. So you look, here's the sound over on TikTok. There's other people who've made videos too. Like look at this one. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. But where is your vegetable? Is that what you're saying? When you eat vegetables, you like lose your shirt? What else have we got? Oh my god. Oh, here, what's this? Eat your vegetables. Some sort of granny. Eat your vegetables. What is she throwing though? They're limes. Those are fruits, but okay, whatever, we'll take it. Vegetables. That's so funny. A grandma hanging out with her, I guess that's her grandson. Right on. That one has 1.4 million likes, just that video. What else have we got here? Oh my god, what is this? Addison Rae? Yeah, go! Her video has 5.1 million views where she's reminding people to eat their vegetables. Good job, Addison. Addison Rae. Cool. Hey, oh, one thing though, Addison, you can't be riding horses. That's not vegan. Okay, vegans don't believe in exploiting animals. They are not here for us to eat, wear, or use. Okay, so next time you make a video, I mean, it's great that you're reminding people to eat their vegetables, but no more horses, okay? We don't ride horses. What else have we got? What is going on? I mean, I don't even know. Like, well, there's something. What's this? Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Eat. TikTok is crazy. TikTok is hilarious. All right, what else do we got? Any others here? What on earth is Spidey doing? Eat your vegetables. That's a big vegetable. Yes, eat cucumbers. Vegetables. Yes. Woohoo! Love it. Keep using my sound. This is great, guys. What else have we got? What's this guy doing? Eat your vegetables. Yes, okay, and hopefully that's a veggie burger. Don't make that face, get used to it. That's too much salt. No. Let's stop there, where he's having a good time. Come on, eat your vegetables. Now this is, I see a watermelon there. That looks like a fruit to me. What else looks good? How about this? What's this? Eat your vegetables. Okay, no, we don't. Eat. Okay, but you know what, guys? Animals are not here to use as entertainment. Okay, that's not okay. Don't involve your dogs and dress them up like that. That's not okay. Okay, I know on the one hand it seems cute, but we don't do that. Okay, we don't use animals for things like that. We don't exploit them. What's going on here? Eat. Oh, he has a trick. Your vegetables. Oh, no, you won't be able to eat it. Not that way. And thanks for promoting veggies, but that's a fruit, by the way. What else have we got? Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to begin. What do you guys want me to click on? Which one here? What's this? Eat your vegetables. Yes. Promote eating veggies. You got a carrot there? You're not going to die from eating vegetables. Your vegetables. Yes. All right. So you guys, check that out. Isn't that cool? That's what's happening over on TikTok today. Eat your vegetables. Go and use the sound. And go and make your own videos with this sound here, with the original. That is my first video that I ever did on TikTok, by the way. That one right there, when I'm eating that spinach. Because I went onto TikTok because somebody said, go onto TikTok. You can teach about veganism. I'm like, okay, I'll try. And the person said, go ahead and just do something crazy for 8 seconds. And I tagged a bunch of different boys, like boy groups, like teenagers, like they told me just put a bunch of random tags to bring in people. So I wrote Fortnite and Minecraft and Roblox, and millions of people started to watch that video. All my students watched it. Back then I was still teaching in the school system. Anyway, go ahead and watch it. Go ahead and eat your vegetables, and then come and join me over here on YouTube and be an animal defender. Be a teaching assistant here. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Oh, coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on those. Be curious. Subscribe. Press the notification bell and help me get these animals out of hell. Eat